camera. But anyway, hey y'all, welcome back to another amazing vlog. If you're new here, hello, my name is Wendalyn Lynette. Welcome. If you like my content, I ask that you subscribe so you won't miss any of it. All right, y'all. So, I'm fat. So today we are fixing to go take the dog to the groomer to get all his hair cut off her finally. Because she looked like a big, I don't even know, a mole rat. How does a mole rat look? She looked like a big monchichi. I don't know, but we doing that. I got my iced coffee in tow. And I have an appointment to get and pick up, well, not pick up, but to get my TWIC card. I've already started. I've started a new business venture and I need the TWIC card for what I gotta do. So then we gotta come back home because of course to bring the puppy back. I mean, I'm saying puppy, girl, she 88 years old. We have to bring her back and then we have to go to a few of our buildings to check up on something, and then we have to scrub a floor. So I might bring y'all, I don't know yet. So here go the puppy. We can't even see her. Look at her. Juju. Ju. She smells like a little ram goat right now. Yeah, but when she comes back, she's gonna be all nice and clean, haircut. We're gonna get her a fresh new bed. Cause I'm like, ain't no need in washing that one. We just be doing beds. Do anybody else do that? After a certain amount of time, you just throw your dog bed away and just be buying new ones. We do that all the time. And she was all outside this morning, so she smelled. Y'all know how they got that, how the dogs have them outside smell, because Steven made sure she went outside to use the bathroom before she got up in there. But that's why she in the truck with them hard floors and not in any of my vehicle. Or the van, even Shelby. Even though Shelby got the hard floors too, but she need to be in this truck. We have a dog, girl, but I'm just not a dog person. I'm not. I don't believe in all of that dogs on the furniture, and I just don't. Now, what people do with their pets or animals, that's people. And hey, that's them, that's their animals, their pets, their house, their car. They can let them do what they want. I just don't feel that animals, yes, I know that how some people feel about their dog, child. It's like it's a human, like it's a person, a part of their family. Yes, she is a part of our family and I love her. I really do love her. I think if something happened to her, I would be sad. I know I would be. But like, all of that extra stuff, how people be letting the dogs be all kissing them and licking them in the face, and I just can't do it. I revert back. It's an animal. Dogs lick their butts. Dogs sometimes eat their own poop. I just can't. Anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding its logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I want to give you better. Almost $100 to groom this goddamn dog. This is why I don't be feeling bad when I go all out and do stuff for me. Because I will definitely be booking me a massage appointment tomorrow or next week. Yeah. If the dog can get $100 done, spaying on it almost, and I know he tipped the lady because this was $89, and I know he tipped the lady, so he probably gave her just $100 and tell her keep the chain, keep it. I'm definitely going to get a massage. I was gonna get it anyway, but I'm just saying, I don't be feeling bad when I spend money on myself. I'll be like, oh, you got a budget? Who? Why I got the budget? I ain't got no babies no more. My children grown. I ain't got the budget. Let me do what I want to do when I want to do it. Oh, look at the puppy, so cute. I don't know if y'all can see the pup in the store. She's so happy to see her owner. No, she left, but knowing Juju, she probably just staring at Steven like, just get me out of here. Juju is a real bitch. She just be so calm, cool, collected, and she just be like, hi. She just be like, get me out of here. She is a diva, honey. I said I'm not a dog person, but I like to look at them, and some of them so cute, but I'm just not a dog person. I mean, I have a soft spot in my heart for them. I don't want nobody to mistreat the pets or the animals or, you know, do anything to them. I am just not a, oh, come here, let me let you lick on my face. No. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. She is so cute. See? She's a cutie. And all that energy she got, child, she probably a puppy. Juju, on the other hand, Juju is an old hag. And she don't play games with nobody. She don't like people touching her. She don't like kids. She don't like people to pet on her head. She'll snip at you. She just be looking at you. She wants to be left alone. And she's older. It comes from the fact, too, that she's older. But she kind of always been like that. Here she come. Oh, look at Ju! Ju! Hey, girl!
You look a little rat.
You're looking like a little rat. Hey, how you feeling, girl?
Look like a little rug rat now. Give me a nut.
We had to come and save the child. He got a flat. Now he know how to change a tire, y'all, but because of his rims, the what you call lug nut thing, whatever it's called, jack handle couldn't fit the things on the tire, so Steven had to bring his kit. So this is actually the following day. I didn't close it out, y'all, from yesterday after we came back from the vet. I think that's the last thing y'all saw was us coming back from the vet. Juju is still showing off because she got her little haircut. Didn't do too much today. We just went on our walk this morning. I came back, did some stuff in the office, made a little salad for our lunch, and that's like that was around 2 o'clock. No, that was like, yeah, was it 2 or 1? That's like maybe 1:30, 2 o'clock, something like that. And then it's now 5:45. And I'm hungry again, so I ain't cooked nothing at the house. I may just get some wings on our way back because we stopping to well, child, we got to go. We just can't ever be great and just not have to go check up on something or somebody. You know, I'm gonna stop saying that. That's probably why it keep happening. And I already know about the speaking stuff into existence, so I'm gonna stop saying that. You know, those words, well, you know, oh, it's always something. I'm gonna stop doing that. So we have to go and check up on somebody, one of the employees today. It's a little unofficial. That's why I'm not dressed in uniform gear, because really I probably don't even get out. Steven just gonna get out and deal with that, because I'm done and I'm over it. So I'll let Steven deal with that. I have to go to God-forsaken Walmart. Yeah, I gotta go there. I gotta get, like, you know, stuff that I need, but I don't need it from Sam's. You know how you need certain things, but you don't want to get it in bulk. Like, I need, like, the little face pad thingies, some more body wash, and other stuff over there in that section. So yeah, basically stuff like that I need to get out of Walmart. Y'all know I don't go to Walmart probably I would say once every 2 months. Then on our way back home, we might stop the kicking chicken and just get some wings for dinner or something, because I ain't cooking today. And I don't want another salad, you know? So that's low carb. Get some naked wings. It might be fried in a little grease. But guess what? That's better than eating French fries with it. You gotta, you know, do stuff when you can, shit. That's all, y'all. That's all for this shine. Nobody, people don't stop and help you, know, which I can't blame them. I cannot blame anybody, because when I be looking, I be like, child, I saw you on side the road, but I can't stop and help you because I don't know if you crazy and you're gonna shank me or not. So I get it. I totally get it. So now the child got to go and get another tire tomorrow. I don't know what it is. I think it's the road. They have to go down this long, it's like in between dirt and gravel. For him to get to work, they have to go down this long, bumpy trash road to get to work. So he be like running through tires. He literally just ordered, what, 3 tires a few months ago. And so now this one, he got to order another one. So it's been, and then Steven just bought 4 new tires for his truck because he got a flat in the back tire of his truck, and he wanted bigger tires anyway. So he was like, well, the 2 front ones still good, but let me just go ahead and order the 4 type that I want. So it's just been a tire situation. And somebody we know, because they hold their hand out waving, but they didn't stop. We got it, thank you. We got it under control. All right, y'all, so that's just wanted to give y'all the update. We had to go be Captain Save Peoples today. We had to come in, we had to swoop in with the kid. I don't know what was going on now. Hopefully the spare tire ain't flat, because both of them looking confused. So I don't know what they're doing back there. See y'all later. Update, y'all. So Steven had the wrong case with him. He had in this truck. The other case is in the van that he needed with the proper tools to loose it. So he got backup. His friend Lawrence came. So Lawrence saved the day. Thank you so much, Lawrence. We appreciate you. Unless Steve would have to go all the way back home, get the other, whatever the things is, the kit, the tools, and then come all the way back up here. And this is like about a, what, 20-minute drive. So that would have been 40 minutes, 20 minute back, 20 minute this way. Yeah, because Lawrence had the tool he needed in his truck, so with him. So that's why he saved us a lot of time. So thank you, we appreciate it. So yeah, they about to get that done. We about to be on our way going to Walmart and then go and get the chicken. So yeah, all right, y'all, just want to give y'all an update. And I'm going to Walmart just like this, head wrapped in a hole. Y'all know I'm the reporter reporting live. We had to pull over on the side of the road because a bird just flew. Ew! That is the girls. Oh, that's a woodpecker. I don't think it broke your girl. That's gross. Oh, did it broke it?
This one right there.
Oh my God. That's disgusting. You always ready and stay on go. Look, let's see how you ain't open. Ah! See, that's what we need to be doing right there. Instead of coming from Bad Daddy's Burgers, eating a burger, we should have been in the gym. Working off this fat.
I ain't fat.
Well, I'm fat. I mean, I can embrace. It is what it is. I'm healthy too. I mean, I don't have no medical problems or no medical conditions, but I won't keep it that way. But I'm also realistic. I'm fat. Well, oh, you can go that way. We go that way. Not the highway, but the you can go out that way. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Copyrighted. So we're off now to Staples to take the. Can I finish? I have one hand. Nobody can see this thing. Staples. Then we're gonna go by Crumble. We're gonna see if we like them again. Before, I ain't fancy them too much, but we gonna see if they taste like a biscuit with icing on it today. What the function?